Hi guys, my name's Raz and today we'll be factorising quadratic expressions. Ooh, sounds scary. So, just for completeness, I need to just make this point because we'll have further videos where we factorise more complicated quadratics. In this video, we'll be looking at, the general form of a quadratic is, as you see on the screen, ax squared plus bx plus c. The number in front of x squared will always be a, the number in front of x will be b, and the final number we call c. So in this video, we're looking at quadratics where a is equal to 1. So you can see by magic that fades out. So it's this type of quadratic we'll be looking at. And the trick to it is we'll be looking for numbers that add to give us b and multiply to give us c. Dun, dun, dun. So that spells am. Well, if you don't like am, we could say we add to get b and times to get c. That spells at. Where's it at? If you don't like that one, we have the sum is b and the product is c. Now, for that one, we need to remember that s is on the left, s comes first, p comes second. Now, this is why it's often called the salt-pepper technique, because have you ever heard anyone call it pepper and salt? Hell nah, because that would just be weird. So we call it salt and pepper. Sum, product. So those are your options. You can call it AM, that spells AM. You can call it AT, which spells at, or salt, pepper, sum, product. Either way, it all results the same thing. So let's get into some examples. I think we have 3 examples of this today. So we have, in this one, x squared plus 5x plus 6. We need 2 numbers that add to give us 5 and times to give us 6. So we have a choice. It could be 1 and 6 or 3 and 2. Yeah, as in they multiply to give us 6. So we need a double bracket and we will have an x in both brackets. But which pair of those add to give us 5? It'll be plus 2 and plus 3. Some of you might be thinking, oh, we could have done 6 and 1. But though that would have added to give us plus 5, it wouldn't have multiplied to give us plus 6. It would have multiplied to give us minus 6. So it can't be that. It must be this. Let's look at example 2. Example 2, similar numbers, but with a minus sign. So we have x almost just went straight into the answer. So we have x squared minus 5x plus 6. So, because it's quadratic, we need a double bracket. We know there'll be an x in each bracket. What are the factors of 6? Because we need 2 numbers that add to give us 5 and multiply to give us 6. So we can have 1 and 6, or 2 and 3, like in the previous example. So if we pick 2 and 3, that will multiply to give us plus 6, but it will not add to give us minus 5. So what do we need to do? Exactly, we need 2 negatives. So is minus 2 minus 3 minus 5? Yes. Is minus 2 times minus 3 plus 6? Yes. Job done. Let's have a look at the last one. So now let's try this one. So I have x squared minus 16x plus 63. Let's try salt, pepper. Salt is sum. Oh. Pepper is product. So it would be double bracket x. Well, what times what is 63? Yeah, 20. Someone said 21 and 3. That's right, but it's not what we're looking for. So, 63 and 1. That does multiply to 63, but we cannot combine it to get 16. 9 and 7. Well done. So we'll put 9 and 7 in. What must the signs be to give us negative 16? Yes, minus 9, minus 7. Final check. Is minus 9 times minus 7 plus 63? Of course it is. Job done. So that was factorising double brackets. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.